Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Those who do fabric painting and can do fabric painting can take part in this cultural traditional walk show which is on 17th February. In this, if you have your old works also already painted on traditional wear, sarees, dresses, ghagra choli or any salwar suit, women can take part, and the men can paint on dhoti, kurta, kurta pajama or any other Indian traditional wear. So there is walk-in entries also. Those who will join after 10th or 11th, their photos may not be coming on the banners, and so hurry up and join those artists who are interested in taking part in this show. And those interested in online painting courses can join my different professional art courses. I teach online offline certificate courses and I take order works. So please come and see the show. Those who are interested in art and freehand painting can come and encourage the artists. This show is free for all the visitors. So I request all those who are interested in art and traditional fashion wear, please visit and encourage our artists. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.